All right, guys, this is PYT 590 coming up. Encore football. Should have one auto, one mem. You guys are guessing the player on the last auto. 60 cards in here, 10 packs, 6 cards per pack. That's our empty box. 10 packs. Good luck to everybody in this one. Cameron Jordan, Wandell Robinson, Travon Walker, Jerry Judy, Dalton Kincaid, the future is now, Brandon Fiske. Jackson Smith and Jigba, Nick Bosa, CeeDee Lamb, Sky Moore, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Kamari Lannister. Brian Robinson Jr., Justin Herbert, Nick Chubb, Josh Jacobs. Futures now, that is DeAndre Swift for the Bears, Javon Bullard. Chris Jones, Deron Payne, Christian Watson, Tony Richardson on the auto for this. That is out of 25, 22 out of 25. Tony Richardson for the Chiefs. Christian McCaffrey on the blueprints. A.J. Barner. Fred Warner. Dak Prescott, Kyle Pitts, Javonte Williams. That is out of 150. We have Team Pinnacle, Eric Dickerson on the front. Ernest Biner on the back. There's a Rams-Browns card. This one we may have to random, and we will. We'll do that at the end. Eric All Jr. rookie. Jabril Peppers, Marcus Mariota, Javonte Williams. There's our mem. Joe Burrow. That one is out of 75. We have a head-to-head. Deion Sanders, Andre Rison, 49ers and Falcons. It's another one we'll random off. We'll do that at the end. Brock Bowers, rookie. We got 4 packs left. Najee Harris, Deshaun Watson, Trey Hendrickson, Bo Nix on the purple. Out of 75, rookie Bo Nix for Denver. Dallas Turner on the front. Liatu on the back. Colts Vikings. See if that's another one we got a random. It is. So we'll do the front back randoms. There's Darius Robinson. 3 packs left. Alvin Kamara, Brock Purdy, Evan Ingram, Josh Downs. Another head-to-head between the Saints and Colts. So we'll random that one off. And then Will Reichard. So we got a front and back random and a left and right random coming up. The end. Austin Eckler. Nakobe Dean. Anthony Richardson. Joe Milton Orange. Out of 99 going to the Patriots. We got Marvin Harrison Jr. Brendan Rice. Our last pack of the break. TJ Hawkinson, Tyson Bagent, Kirk Cousins, Rashad White on the orange. Out of 99 going to Tampa. Jonathan Brooks, Trey Benson. All right, let me get the list randomizers up. We'll random, then we'll top load, recap, and then move on for the night. All right, we got the front and back, and then the left and right. Alright, so the teams on the left are the Saints and 49ers. Teams on the right, Falcons, Colts. Teams on the front, the Vikings, Rams. Teams on the back, AFC, Ernest Miner, and Leatu. Alright, we're going to do front, back, left, and right. Let's do the left. Alright, here's our left and right. We're going to roll the dice. Randomize that list 4 times. 1 and 3 is 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And our fourth and final time, 4 times, going to the right. So we got the right. All right, now let's do the front and back. Let's roll the dice again. 5 and 6 for 11. 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh no, that's wrong one. 11 times for the front and back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and our 11th and final time. 11 times going to the front. Teams on the front. All right, so we got the right and the front. Teams on the right for the head-to-heads. We got the Colts, Peyton Manning going to get the Drew Brees, Peyton Manning one. Andre Rison and the Falcons get the Deion Sanders, Andre Rison. And the teams on the front, of course, Dallas Turner, Eric Dickerson going to the Rams and Vikings. Let's top load recap, then we'll sign off for the night. Again, guys, bookmark that future break schedule page. Grab your spots in those upcoming breaks. If we sell some more spots in those, we can do those this week. If not, we'll do them at the beginning of next week. I got some of the older listed breaks on there that maybe haven't moved as fast as normal. They're on that list. If we get those close to filling, then we'll run those breaks. All right, here's our recap. Javonte Williams out of 150. Joe Burrow mem, that is out of 75. Bo Nix purple out of 75. Joe Milton out of 99. Rashad White out of 99. Tony Richardson auto for the Chiefs. That is out of 25. 22 of 25. All right, guys, that does it for the breaks tonight. I appreciate everybody. Make sure you guys bookmark that future break schedule page. Go in there, buy spots into those upcoming breaks we got scheduled. We'll be posting dates for those shortly. You guys have a great night.